Hey everybody, in this video I have a Schlage deadbolt cylinder that I tossed into this housing here. I don't have a key for it, and since this channel is lock picking, we'll see if we can lock pick it open and rekey it. Normally, you would just shim something like this open, but let's see if we can pick it. There we go. So we got her open. See if we can rekey it here. Over here wrecking shit. Oh. Hold it here so it doesn't lock back when I unscrew this. And I need a follower sitting there. It doesn't matter if I mix them up, it's going in the recycle bucket anyway. Alright, and this is the key that we're going to be pinning it up to. Bidding on it as 56347. So repin it real quick here. Five, 6. 3, 4, 7. So there's our repinned cylinder. And get a reassembly here, just drop our spring in there, detent. It's pouring outside here and a little chilly. Knuckles start aching and not function real well here. So yeah, I'll crank up the excuse machine for fumbling around with it. Usually on Schlage, you tighten it as tight as it'll go and back it off one, but I think I got that good there. I'll just drop her back in the housing. Actually, we won't drop it back in the housing. I'm just going to just throw it in my toolbox and save this housing just to put kick cylinders into pick what I have. I don't really like using a vise, and these actually work pretty good to hang on to. You can put a 5 or 6 pin core in them just to have something to hold on to while you pick instead of trying to hold on to something like that. But anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe, or at least subscribe. And that will do it for this video. And we'll talk to everybody later.